95% of people looking for remote jobs miss the highest paying opportunities. I will show you the 18 best part-time remote jobs for freelancers in 2024, so you can be in the top 5% that land on big jigs. What's up, guys? I'm Colette, founder of Coach by Colette. In the past few years, I've earned over $1 million on Upwork, and I want to help you do the same. Goal statement. You aim to secure high-paying, part-time remote jobs that give you the freedom and flexibility. Comment with the $ down below if that's your goal. I will show you how to achieve this with a simple, repeatable process. So let's dive into the 18 part-time remote jobs you should target to maximize your earnings in 2024. The workplace of 2024 is undergoing seismic changes, and we have AI to thank for that. In recent Fiverr studies reveal that AI has led to optimized efficiency and reduced headcount, contributing to 44% of layoffs. But here's the silver lining. This shift has opened up a massive freelancer demand. Freelancing benefits. If you've been laid off or are looking for high-paying remote jobs, freelancing might be your best bet. Freelancing offers the flexibility to work on your own terms, set your own hours, and take on exciting projects. Many professionals with family commitments or personal interests find that freelancing allows them to thrive while maintaining a work-life balance. Imagine working 3 or 4 hours daily and still making significant income. But let's be honest. Starting as a freelancer isn't all sunshine and rainbows. Starting as a freelancer isn't all about rainbows and sunshine. You need to handle administrative tasks like taxes, accounting, marketing, and client communications. This is where leveraging AI tools and collaborating with other freelancers can make a huge difference. Automate your tasks to enjoy the benefits of part-time freelancing, high-paying freelance sectors. Now, let's discuss the high-paying, part-time remote freelance jobs you can pursue. According to the Hiring Lab by Indeed, sectors with significant growth opportunities for part-time work includes beauty and wellness, hospitality and tourism, marketing, media and communication, retail. 18 in-demand jobs. Here are 18 in-demand part-time remote freelance jobs. Number 1, freelance beauty writing. Number 2, health and wellness coaching. Number 3, online yoga instruction. Number 4, online personal training. Number 5, freelance social media management for beauty brand. Number 6, travel vlogging. Number 7, e-commerce. Number 8, Airbnb experience hosting. Number 7, freelance travel writing. Number 10, freelance graphic design. Number 11, freelance digital marketing consulting specialist. Number 12, freelance marketing copywriter. Number 13, podcast hosting and production. Number 14, freelance video editing. Number 15, social media influencer. Number 16, freelance e-commerce consulting. Number 17, freelance product photography. Number 18, freelance PR consulting. This list is just the tip of the iceberg. There are countless ways to make money online as a freelancer. The best part? Your life and career are in your hands. Be a digital nomad, explore new places, and never worry about layoffs again. With hard work, strong branding, and continuous upskilling, you can live the career of your dreams on your own terms. So are you ready to go? Hold on just a second. No one else will tell you the number one thing. You have to master your niche and keep learning. This is not an optional. The better you know your field, the more money you will make. If you are nodding your head thinking, Colette, I know exactly what you're talking about, then comment with a 100% emoji below. But don't spoil it for everyone. If you're feeling confused or thinking, yeah, I'm lost, then research and continuously improve your skills. That should be the top of your to-do to-do list. I guarantee you it will help you to get your next job faster. If you are ready to start, hit the subscribe button, like this video, and comment with your favorite freelance job from the list. See you in the next video.